Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix the error that my wireless mouse is not working using different options. Chapter 1. How to fix mouse when disable fast launch. We start by opening the Windows search engine, then enter the word Control. Within the results, we click on Control Panel. A new window will open. Within it, you will click on the line Hardware and Sound. In the next window, you will see click on Power Options. Now in this section, you are going to click on the line called Choose what the power button do. In order to make any changes, you must click on Change settings that are currently unavailable. Below you will see a series of options. There you will find and enable the option of Turn on Fast Startup so that the system loads faster and fixes the mouse error. Click Save Changes to apply the modifications. Chapter 2. How to fix mouse on update driver. We start by clicking on the Start button. In the displayed list of results, you must click on Device Manager to open it. Now, you are going to locate the section Mice and Other Pointing Devices, and then unfold it. Within the drop-down, right-click on the mouse driver, and then click on Update Driver. You will see that two options are offered. For our case, first click on Search Automatically for Drivers. This will cause available mouse drivers to be searched online. If this doesn't work, try the manual method. To do this, you must click on the back arrow. Then you must click on the option Browse my computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer to search for a downloaded driver or those available from Microsoft. Select the driver that you think is suitable for the mouse and click Next to continue and install this driver. When you click on Close to exit, you will see a message that Windows must be restarted for this change to be applied, so you must click on Restart to confirm this action. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. How to fix mouse by uninstall driver. Although it sounds somewhat delicate to uninstall the driver, you should not worry since it is a usual process. To do this, let's right-click on the Windows button. In the displayed list, you must click on Device Manager to open it. Now you are going to locate the Mice and Other Pointing Devices section and display its options. Then right-click on your mouse device and then click on Uninstall Device. As you can see, a small window opens and in it you click on Uninstall. Expect the process of uninstalling your driver to be effective. As the mouse has been uninstalled, you will not be able to use it. So on your keyboard uses the control keys plus Alt and Delete to open the options screen. In the list, you will see you must use the keyboard direction arrow to select Log Out and press Enter to confirm it. You'll be logged out and you'll need to log in again. If your mouse still doesn't work, restart your computer directly. When you log in, open Device Manager again and you can check that the mouse driver has been reinstalled correctly. Chapter 4. How to fix mouse when configuring USB port. Let's start by right-clicking on the Start button. In the displayed list, you must click on Device Manager to open it. In the new window, you will click on the section Universal Serial Bus Controllers to open its different options. Then, double-click on the option USB Root Hub USB 3.0 to manage it. In the window that opens, you must click on the Power Management tab. To keep your mouse from dropping, uncheck the box labeled Allow my computer to turn off this device to save power. Finally, click on the OK button for that change to be saved. Chapter 5. How to fix mouse when installing updates. Having Windows updated is a good guarantee that many errors will be fixed, and in particular, the mouse error can be one of them. To do this, we will click on the Start menu and then on Settings. Then click on Windows Update. If you look for updates, you can see if any are directly related to the mouse and you must install it. Chapter 6: How to fix mouse when configuring services. Let's make some adjustments to the Windows settings to fix the error. Let's click on the Start menu to search for the word misconfig. In the results, click on System Settings to open it. In this open window, you must click on the Services tab to see all the current Windows services and with which the system works. There you will activate the box Hide All Microsoft Services so as not to affect any essential Windows. Then we will click on Disable All. To apply the changes, click on Apply and OK. It will be necessary to restart Windows for these changes to take effect. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.